Hey, do you remember the ants that got grounded by Sniffles?
Sniffles, we're so busted.
Oh, mother ant, brother ant, sister ant, and baby ant, how dare you random guide us back the Suckertainment of the Happy Tree Friends fan. You know that she's a good user and you hurt her feelings, that's it. The four of you are grounded for 19 days, and as for for punishment, there will no more stealing food, no more killing me, no more torturing me, no more laptops, and no more computers. The four of you, go to your anthill right now and think for what you've done.
Wait,